Jowevators at the Hilton Garden Inn,
These
South San Francisco,
are
California.
7th floor.
Wow, that
US
is
SoftTouch.
high. What the heck? You can tell the other one has a lovely,
2 and then switch.
yeah. Look at how tall, how high up those buttons are.
That doesn't. I mean, it works, but not just tapping it.
That key switch was replaced. There's stopping.
There's the certificate.
Going down?
You going to L?
This one doesn't have a fan.
Yeah, look at this just like row of US ones.
Let me get the CFP. Alright, here we go.
The lobby up here so long.
Yeah. It's like a hallway. Oh, what? It's still
You're
lit.
hit too.
It's still lit. Oh, the button out there.
Okay, pretty much completely dead. These buttons are made by Adams specifically for these panels.
Yeah, these ones aren't. Look at that. A button for the phone button.
I think these are the tallest soft touches I've ever been on.
Yeah. It would be even cooler if they were actually soft touches.
Still cool though.
Yeah. That COP is just wow.
They replaced the drawing button with